Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're going to be opening this Amazon mystery box. Not sure who sent it or what's in it, but we're going to find out together. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, we're going to open this Amazon mystery box. We're gonna find out together what's in here because I have no idea what it is. I didn't order anything from Amazon, so. Cardboard. Oh. Yeah, it's definitely a really small box compared to this box. So this is an Olsa Tools wrench set. Let me move this light a little closer. So this is what's the part number? Part number is number 1311. This looks like the Olsa Tools extraction wrenches, metric 7-piece set. 6 and 7 millimeter, 8 and 9 millimeter, 10 and 11 millimeter, 12 and 13 millimeter, 14 and 15, 16 and 17, and 18 and 19. Doesn't look like there's any skips. So this was sent for us to take a look at on the channel. It's interesting how it wasn't sent from Olsa Tools though. I've never ever got anything from Olsa Tools that was literally sent through Amazon. So that was kind of interesting. And I knocked the camera over. Sorry guys. So, take this out. It's got a little plastic organizer. So I'm going to have to demonstrate these wrenches on a separate video. The chroming is pretty nice. This is 8 and 9. You can see the design. These are offset. Not sure if it says what the offset is. Does not look like it shows what the offset is. It looks like a 35-degree offset. Here's the 18 and 19. Got some pretty shiny chrome. You can see the camera. Here's the mic up here. You can see the camera and the mic and everything. But see, these are supposed to bite on rounded fasteners. I'll also leave a link to Bruce's channel. Another buddy of mine, he did a video on these as well. He did also do a demonstration. So I will link a card up here for Bruce's channel until I can get on recording these being used on rounded off fasteners. The design is very neat. They're very nice wrenches, very thick. Let's see. Let me grab a caliper real quick. Alright, so 6.04. Oh, 6.20 millimeters wide on the 17 and 18. 16 and the 18 and 19, sorry. 16 and 17 is 5.9697. 15 and 14 is 5.33. 12 and 13 5.28. 10 and 11 is 4.1514 millimeter. 8 and 9 is 4.26, 24 to 26 millimeter, and the little one, which is the 6 and 7, is 3.82 millimeters. So these are actually pretty nice. Definitely gonna be putting these to use, giving you guys a demonstration on them. I do like the offset. It's a slightly shaped, slightly like an S, but these are, I'd assume these are about 35 or 40 degree offsets. Could be a little less. That's what they look like, though. They are a nice set of wrenches. I do appreciate Olsa Tools sending them to me to do videos on. I did not realize that it was an item from Olsa Tools, and the reason being is I have a box here. It says Olsa Tools on it. So this one came directly from Olsa Tools. Not really sure why this one came from Amazon, but do appreciate you guys sticking around, checking out the video. This is just going to be the introduction video. I will leave a card up here for Bruce's channel if you guys want to quickly see his demonstration on these wrenches. That which will give me a little time to set up some kind of testing rig to use these wrenches on. Maybe different variants of rounded off fasteners. I do have a couple rounded off fasteners on a vehicle. Probably going to make a video on that as well. See how well these work. But go up to that card when I place that card in here, and go check out his video if you want to see these in action right this minute. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do have at the top of the description, I do have a link for Olsa Tools. If you guys want to go check them out, maybe this is something you guys are interested in. That link will get you 10% off your order at olsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off on my next order from Olsa Tools. So if you need it, go ahead and use it. If you don't need it, it's no big deal. If you do use it, I do appreciate it. And just to show you what the price of these wrenches are. Wrenches. These wrenches are about $64.87, so about $5 or so, plus whatever the shipping is, if there is shipping. But I'll have to end up doing a review on these down the road. It's not bad for the price. But appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hope to see you guys on the next video. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!